drive and drink coffee out of a mug for some reason. I don't know why. Today I am driving up the Beartooth Pass because it is so unbelievably gorgeous. It is early morning and hopefully nobody's up there. So maybe I'll just fly the drone. Maybe I'll see if my mountain goat I've been wanting to see the whole trip. No kids, no wife. I killed him yesterday. Black Canyon Lake, 15.5 miles, so I wasn't going to make him get up. Gardner Lake is actually right off of Beartooth Pass. You actually hike down into it, I think 700 or 800 feet. And then you're surrounded by a bowl of mountains, so it should be pretty cool. Bright and early, nobody else is on the roads. Oh, this is beautiful. Beartooth Mountains, love them. Ladies and gentlemen. Finally saw my herd of mountain goats. I'm up at the Beartooth Pass. A herd of about 10 of them running around here 10,000 feet up. About 8 o'clock in the morning, just unbelievably gorgeous. I finally saw my mountain goats. There it is, Gardner Lake. I drove up a little bit and I got to see this view. And you can actually see the trail going down by the lake, and that's where we're going to be in about however long it takes me. Oh, I'm still just like shaking and amazed I ran into a herd of mountain goats. Unbelievable. Wyoming over here, Montana back over there, on top of the Beartooth Pass. I'm gonna go down in that little bowl mountains. There's Gardner Lake. Man, what an unbelievable morning. All my girls are gonna hate me. A little after 8 o'clock, nobody's up here. Not a single person. It's just as awesome. Only thing that's up here is these marmots everywhere, chirping like crazy. I was just thinking, I did a 15.5 miler, 2,300 foot elevation gain yesterday, so going up on this little itty bitty guy is gonna suck. Oh, look at this little area. Reminds me of New Zealand, even though I've never been there. Frodo. Oh, Sam. Yeah, this area is perfect location. If you go about another 45 minutes west, you'll actually hit Yellowstone. We stayed in Cook City, right outside of Yellowstone. Great place to stay. Switched it up halfway through the week. Cook City, first 4 nights, and then Red Lodge. And then we hiked a bunch of the Beartooths. Oh, just serene. Nothing around. This is the best. I think I'm gonna get up early all the time. All right, next stop, the bottom. My wife's gonna kill me. It's taking longer than I thought. Messing around. It's just so beautiful. I never want to leave these places. It sucks. We're going to the Sawtooth in a month, so I can't complain. Wow. If you're on the Beartooth Highway, this is just a quick couple hours maybe, and come down here and enjoy this. Look at this big, huge boulder. Have lunch on this sucker. Stare at this. Alright, so that's probably going to be the hardest 800-foot climb I'm going to ever do because of yesterday's 15.5 miler. Whew. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. Beartooth Mountains, man. Unbelievable. Gotta get here.